Motivated by his father, who was an accomplished physician and a strong desire to care for people, Malcolm Edward Williamson, D.O., dedicated more than 30 years to medicine, specializing in osteopathy from his private practice in Trenton, Michigan for several decades before his retirement in 2003. An expert in thyroid disease, diabetes, and pituitary issues, he has shared his wisdom and experience as an associate professor of medicine at Michigan State University since 1972 and remains active across several civic platforms, including Gideons International. In addition to operating his own practice, which he opened in 1972, Dr. Williamson found much success at Riverside Osteopathic Hospital in Trenton, serving in a number of supervisory roles between 1974 and 1992, including as the Director of Nuclear Medicine, the Chairman of the Department of Internal Medicine, and the Director of Internal Medicine Residency. He previously completed residencies in internal medicine at Detroit Osteopathic Hospital and endocrine nuclear medicine at Wayne State University between 1968 and 1972, and served as an intern at the Osteopathic Hospital of Maine from 1967 to 1968. Before embarking on his professional path, Dr. Williamson, a native of Lisbon Falls, Maine, had developed an interest in medicine and decided to follow his father's example at a young age. After witnessing his father die without insurance, he became determined to care for his patients more than any other doctor he had experienced. He pursued a formal education at Springfield College, where he earned a Bachelor of Science in 1958 and subsequently served in the United States Navy for 4 years and got married. In 1962, he completed postgraduate studies at the University of Massachusetts, and then in 1967 obtained a Doctor of Osteopathic Medicine from Kirksville College of Osteopathic Medicine, his father's alma mater. Dr. Williamson is certified through the American Board of Nuclear Medicine, the American College of Osteopathic Internists, and the American College of Osteopathic Endocrinologists. Additionally, he is licensed to practice medicine in Michigan and Florida. As the third endocrinologist in his profession, Dr. Williamson has displayed his unique expertise and wealth of knowledge as a contributor to numerous professional journals throughout his career. In addition, he became a Fellow of the National Osteopathic Foundation in 1985. Also in 1985, he was appointed as President of the Michigan College of Nuclear Medicine Physicians. Dr. Williamson has been affiliated with several organizations, including the American College of Osteopathic Internists, the American Osteopathic Association, and the Nuclear Medicine Radioisotopes Committee, and served as an education member of the Trenton unit of Beaumont Hospital. In recognition of his myriad achievements, he has been featured in Who's Who publications. Outside of his field, he belongs to the Tea Party Patriots, the John Birch Society, the Grocio Golf and Country Club, Gideons International, Psi Sigma Alpha, and Sigma Sigma Phi. In 1970, he founded the Troy Youth Soccer League, which remains a thriving recreational group for children pre-K through high school, and has been active on a local drug awareness committee since 1981. When he was 47 years old, Dr. Williamson's life changed forever when he converted to Christianity. He considers this the second most important factor in his success behind Patricia Ruth Ann Holden, his late wife of more than 56 years, for her support and allowing him the privilege of study. His conversion, he said, had a powerful impact on not just his personal life, but professional as well. His faith has increased his diagnostic acumen by upwards of 50 and 70%. In fact, when other doctors had difficulty coming up with good, quick decisions to complex medical issues, Dr. Williamson was the person they turned to. He takes pride in the fact that his relationship with Christ has allowed him to become a far better doctor and better help others. Upon reflection of his life and career, Dr. Williamson has learned that the human body is intensely complex and made in the image of God. He hopes to be remembered by his peers as a God-fearing public servant. Looking toward the future, he plans to remain extremely active in Gideons International, where he hands out Bibles and provides testimonies on his relationship with faith, as well as answers questions like, what is the purpose of life and where are we going? The father of 3 children and grandfather of 5 grandchildren, Dr. Williamson enjoys skiing, golfing, yard work, attending symphonies, and Bible study in his spare time.